Hello, today I will show you how to make a whiteboard animation video on your Android device. So this is my Android device. First you have to download a app named Benaim. See, here you can see I tapped on it. That is the app named Benaim. You can download it from this Play Store. Okay, so now after you download this, you will open it from there or you can open it from here. As you open it, the interface will be like this. So this plus button is there, you press on that and name any movie. So title of your movie, so I am writing my name. We can choose the canvas size. I'm choosing this YouTube 1080p. I will click on create a movie. See, like this interface will come. Now if you want to add some text, you will write hi. You insert it. You can increase the size from here and increase the text size 200. So this will by in this way you can increase the text size. You can middle align it, center align it. I like this Patrick, so I will choose Patrick font. Yes, so see, this is done. I will make it move sideways. Now if you want to add background, then from BG, see here BG, you can add it from there. If you want to add photo, you can add from this photo icon here. As you click, it will take you to your drive, my drive. Here I will choose this photo. This is the logo of clean energy, green energy. Okay, you can crop it like this, but I'm keeping the full photo. Here crop and see, this is the background. Now if you want to add the photo, you will do something. See, like we cannot add the background and the photo in the same uh, page, because the photo will not be seen if background is there. If your background is of light color, any solid light color, then only you can add the photo is to be added from this sticker option. Here add image. Here I will choose this again. This wait, it is coming. After it comes, then crop. I'm choosing the whole image. Crop. See, the photo has come. Can drag it wherever I want. I can increase the size like this. We can change the hand also, because this is whiteboard animation, so we can change the hand. I like this one, and we will see the preview. Like this it will draw. Okay, bye. Thank you for watching.